morning, campers. So I know I said I wasn't going to record anything on this load, but I want you guys to see this place that we're leaving. Oh, good. I can get out past you guys. So this is the Anheuser-Busch warehouse, the Budweiser, in Great Falls, Montana. A little bit tricky to get in and out. Oh, good. If he's... Where's he moving? Oh, good. Him moving just made this way easier. So, actually, let's just go the right way. So, swing wide left. And now, right. We've got a serpentine through the bridge supports here in order to escape our customer. Makes me nervous. Alright, there we go. Not really meant for 53-foot trailers, but we made it work. It was a lot more intimidating last night before I knew that the angled parts of the bridge supports were higher than 13.6. We went very carefully underneath those last night. Alright. Bit of a tight turn here. We have our tandems in the full forward position, so I think we can make that. Yeah. We made that with about a foot to spare. I don't see anyone to my right. This guy's not turning in here, so we can just let him go through. There's one car to my right now. That's good enough. That's a good gap. That's the mighty Missouri River to our right. Alright, so in order to get back to I-15, we need to get up to the bridge that we just went under for the second time. So it's going to be around here, up the hill. This is so much easier with nothing in the box. Coming down this hill last night, I was at like 20 miles an hour with my engine brakes on. Thankfully, our engine brakes are very effective in 6th gear. We were loaded very heavy on this load. We were right up at 80,000 pounds. Over 45K in the box, which is pretty much our maximum capacity. Without any fuel in the tank, we were at 33.5 on, or 33.540 on the drives, 33.540 on the tandems, and we added fuel after that. There's a dinosaur skeleton thing up on the right. There's the Great Falls Visitor Center here on the left. If you're feeling touristy. We're real close to that curb. Alright. It's cool. Sweet, our turn. And they're turning left. Perfect. And the curtain sider behind me got out too. Awesome. Everyone's free. So this road is US 89. This will take us straight back to Interstate 15. We can hop on I-15 north, up to Montana Highway 200. That's the warehouse below us to the left that we just departed. We're now on the bridge going over the Missouri River. And we'll be back in Missoula. I'm going to get a bunch of editing done today. Hopefully a couple videos uploaded as well. And, you know, the Missouri's huge here. That's not the other shore here. This is an island. There's more Missouri yet to come. So yeah, we're going to get down to Missoula. Maxwell's going to get a PM. I'm going to get a bunch of editing done, hopefully upload a couple videos. And then I'll see you guys for whatever we haul after that. Are you about to cut me off now? That you're in front of me? No? Cool. You kind of juked to the right there, and I thought that might have meant you were checking your mirror. You're going to cut me off, though. Okay. I'm doing the speed limit, by the way. Both of those people in way too much of a hurry. So yeah, I will see you guys when we get back on the road. You're going to get out of my way. That's cool. You decided you need to be in the left lane. Interesting. I'll see you guys when we get back to hauling cargo. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name's Ellie O'Dare, AzarAngel17 on the Twitch and the Steam, and Ellie O'Dare on Xbox Live and on Twitter. No apostrophe in the username. So come say hi on Twitter. That's the place where I hang out the most. That's where you can get updates on what we're doing, especially in times like right now where I'm super far behind on the editing. I'm on Twitter a lot because I can check Twitter super fast, and even when I'm crazy busy out on the road. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day.